lemon risotto roasted chicken. Okay, so our onions have cooked down now, and we're going to start to add our other ingredients. That garlic in, I'm going to pop some of that lemon rind in, half the saltbush. I've got rosemary with the chives, about a cup of rice there. Italian white into that. You can't make an Italian risotto without Italian white wine. Bring that back to the boil. We're going to let that all absorb into the rice, and we're going to get started adding our chicken stock lemon mixture just a little bit at a time. A little bit of our mixture in there. Look at that beautiful risotto cooking away. Now I'm going to be here now probably about 10-12 minutes stirring away, and this is when I add a couple of knobs of butter and my Parmesan cheese. A very rich and delicious dish. Butter. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add all those same flavours that we put into the risotto into that butter. Our chives, salt, rosemary, and rind to get that garlic. So I'm literally just going to spoon that one in there. What I'm doing now is I'm just going up underneath the skin here. You're seeing that there's a cavity here that you can get up underneath the skin. Added that beautiful herb butter into two, and we're just literally going to push that in under the skin there. So here we go, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful chicken. What I'm going to do now is just a little bit of sea salt on the top of my chicken. A little pepper. And I'm not going to put some oil on that at this stage because the fat will render out of the bacon. My chicken's been in the oven now for 45 minutes on 200 degrees. So I'm actually now wanting to brown off the top of my chicken. So I'm just going to go back into the oven. I'm going to turn it down to 180 degrees, and it needs another hour or so in there. But the last step, the most important step, is we're going to cover that with foil, and we need to let it rest an hour and a half.